Welcome to our program, where we delve into the fascinating world of Foxconn, the Taiwanese multinational electronics contract manufacturer. With annual revenue surpassing 175 billion United States dollars, Foxconn holds a prominent position in the global tech industry. Join me as we explore the operations and significance of Foxconn, its expansive global presence, the vital role it plays in China, and the challenges it faces. What Foxconn does, at its core, Foxconn is an electronics contract manufacturer, responsible for producing a wide range of devices for various brands. The company manufactures popular gadgets such as smartphones, tablets, computers, and televisions. In fact, it is estimated that Foxconn manufactures around 40% of all consumer electronics worldwide, serving renowned brands including Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Sony. Additionally, Foxconn produces components for the automotive industry, particularly electric vehicles and car infotainment systems. Foxconn's global presence. Foxconn's operations span across major countries, operating factories in Taiwan, China, Vietnam, India, Mexico, and Brazil. While the company's headquarters are located in Taiwan, it has established a significant presence globally. However, it is in China where Foxconn's operations have the most substantial impact. With over 1 million employees, Foxconn's factories in China contribute substantially to the global supply chain. These factories manufacture a vast array of electronic products, including smartphones, tablets, computers, televisions, and appliances. Furthermore, Foxconn has strategically positioned itself in China to tap into the enormous domestic market and leverage the country's robust manufacturing capabilities. The importance of Foxconn in China. China's prominence as an electronics manufacturing hub makes it a crucial location for Foxconn. The company's operations in China are strategically aligned to serve both domestic and international markets. With a vast pool of low-cost labor and an extensive network of suppliers, China offers Foxconn the resources needed for efficient and cost-effective manufacturing. As a result, Foxconn has become a key contributor to China's economic growth and technological advancements. The company's substantial presence in China has not only boosted employment opportunities but also facilitated the development of local economies. Challenges faced by Foxconn China. Despite its success, Foxconn has encountered challenges, particularly regarding labor practices. In the past, there have been concerns about working conditions, including long hours, low wages, and crowded dormitories. Foxconn has taken steps to address these issues and improve worker well-being, such as implementing shorter work hours, increasing wages, and enhancing living conditions. However, ongoing efforts are required to ensure the fair treatment of workers throughout the supply chain. As we conclude our exploration of Foxconn, we recognize the company's pivotal role in the global electronics industry. Its extensive manufacturing capabilities and partnerships with renowned brands have solidified its position as a key player. Moreover, Foxconn's operations in China have not only contributed to its own success but also played a significant role in China's economic development. By addressing labor concerns and fostering ethical practices, Foxconn can continue to thrive and shape the future of the tech industry. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey through the world of Foxconn. Understanding the complexities and challenges faced by manufacturers empowers us as consumers to make conscientious choices. By advocating for fair and ethical practices, we contribute to a more sustainable and inclusive global tech industry. Stay tuned for more thought-provoking reports as we uncover the stories shaping our rapidly evolving world. Thank you for watching.